गोंय कशें विकपाचें आनी गोंय कशें सांबाळपाचें फक्त हो प्रश्न हो दुयेंस हें सोल्युशन ताजें पॉलिटिक्स. सो म्हाज्या प्रमाणे आय हेट टू से दीस बट इन 2027 वी आर हॅविंग एन इलेक्शन म्हणून मातसो बोवाळ आतां चळवळ चालू जाल्या न्ही ती उमेद कशी सुरू जाल्या. कितेंय म्हण तूं आज समज कोण मुख्यमंत्री आसा, लेट अस से प्रमोद सावंत इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा, you have got full backing from the center. Full backing from the center.
Yes.
The center is not going to drop this government under any circumstances. You bought, purchased, got everybody on your side. At least do one thing which is right. Pass a damn legislation which is strong, which completely protects Goa's land. In this assembly table, a damn bill over there saying that you cannot convert the eco-sensitive zones, you cannot cut hills, you cannot destroy the wet bodies. You have to protect the environment. Just make this assembly session your session, Mr. Pramod Sawant, if you have the guts as the Chief Minister, who's got the complete backing of the centre, and bring a damn bill and make it an act overnight that Goa's lands will be protected finitely, absolutely, with no ifs, buts, no detours, nothing for any TCP minister or for anybody in the future. Bring that kind, like what General Jacob brought when he was governor. Remember when we were in...
Yes.
And he absolutely froze the entire eastern belt and made that a tiger sanctuary, and he said no development in that area. So something like that. I'm not saying you stop all housing, but definitely stop this speculative buying by Delhi buyers, this damn villas, this selling Goa for a price. If you have the guts, Mr. Pramod Sawant, please bring that bill in this assembly now on the 21st, instead of giving us some small cabinet reshuffle and telling us that the biggest enemy of Goa is Govind Gowde. We don't believe that crap at all. Bring a legislation which protects Goa. You've got this chance. You've got the backing of the centre. Nobody is going to go against you, and the people of Goa will back you. If you have the guts, do it.